10 years ago, in the telecommunications industry meeting, we presented the model of the information distribution value chain. There, we discussed that value was in the content, and the content in fact was king, and everybody else was basically commoditized, and it was very hard for them to capture value. A few years later, we discussed that value also migrated to the stages close to the final users, and that we were in fact very much willing to pay for an iPod and not for a much simpler music reproduction system. This also holds obviously for iPads or much more complex top-of-the-line smart set televisions. Today, the value chain has morphed into a value ecosystem in which different stages are basically interrelated back and forth among themselves, and it is not clear a linear structure. In this situation, it's very hard to define business models that are resilient to changes and that can provide systematic value to their owners. In this 20th industry meeting that we have renamed from telecommunications industry to telecommunications, digital media and information society, we have invited a number of top executives from different stages of this ecosystem. We will have executives from telecommunications, obviously, from media companies, from value-adding industries and from value-adding companies. We will try to decide which structure of business models are more likely to be able to capture value in the coming years.